Hi, Year 9. I hope you're all well and enjoying your online learning. We're obviously in a situation again where we are learning from home, and the structure is ever so slightly different than it was last time. So rather than getting those project-based lessons, you are now following your normal timetable, okay, including those split breaks. So I hope you're finding that a more structured and easier process to follow. I know I am. Okay, so I just want to start by saying a massive well done on your attendance. I'm really proud of you, as are all the other teachers in the school. You're doing a great job, so keep it up, okay? Now more than ever, our character development is so important. That willingness to learn, self-motivation, determination, resilience, and those moments to be reflective on what we're doing and how we're doing it. It is a different time to be working in, but it's one that now hopefully we're all getting a little bit used to because we've had the experience of it last year as well. Okay, make sure that you are using your timetable. You've got one on the back of your lanyard to support you in following the structure of the day as well. Remember that we're all still here to support you. You can email us, you can talk to us on Teams, and your mentors are available from 8:45 a.m. to 9:10 a.m. Okay, so there's always somebody here that you can talk to. There is still people at school, so you can call in if you need some support as well. But well done to all of you who are getting involved in the lessons and are using those character traits in order to progress and show their engagement in the lesson. Okay. I just wanted to share with you a few things to remember and a few hints and tips and tricks to help you along the way. What I'd like you to think about is the fact that we are now following our usual timetable. Okay, this does include the split breaks that you would get on the period 4 lesson. So do remember to take that time, take your break, take your lunch time, and come away from the screen that you're on, whether that's a mobile, a device, or a laptop. It's really important that you take yourself away for a moment, you have that break as you usually would, and you relax for a moment. You can find a copy of your timetable on the back of your lanyard if you can't remember what lessons are when. But if you've lost that or you can't find it, don't worry. Just contact your mentor or you can contact me and I'll send you a copy of your timetable. Another thing that I know a lot of students are finding really helpful is setting alarms on their phones for the lesson changeovers. Okay, so set one for 9:10 a.m. for when your first lesson will start, then set another one for 10 a.m. and so on. This is a helpful tool to keep you in line for today, in line for the day, keep you on track. Okay. If you're struggling with anything technical, please do let us know, guys. Okay. We can only know so much from working from home or working from school and not having you right in front of us. So if you can get somebody from home to contact school, or if you have access to your email account, you can email us as well. It's really helpful for us to get a bigger picture of where you're all at. And if there's something you're struggling with, perhaps we can help. It might be a password reset, it might be a lack of a laptop, it could be anything, but do let us know because it does avoid us calling home unnecessarily, and then actually there's just a simple fix to it and we could sort it for you. I know that I've spoken to a few students who have felt a little bit nervous about the live lessons, and it is different if you've not done it before, okay? At the start of the lesson, your teachers should be logging into that live chat. You'll be able to see them and hear them, but you won't be asked to come on camera. We will not ask you to come on camera, okay? You might be asked, and you should be actively getting involved in the conversation chat stream, okay? You can add to discussions, you can ask questions, you can give answers, and within that chat stream, you have nothing to worry about, okay? It's not exactly the same, but it's a similar process to putting your hand up in class and getting involved, okay? Giving these answers that you usually would. Your active involvement in the lesson is part of your development and it's how we monitor your progress. Okay, so make sure that you are using that self motivation, that determination to be brave and virtually put your hand up in the lesson to get involved. Okay, not just sitting in the background and following the instructions. And that's great. And I'm really proud of you if you are in those lessons and you are following your instructions and you're doing the tasks. But that active involvement is just that extra 0.01, that extra bit of self-motivation and resilience within your lessons and that character development. So do have a go at that. Set yourself a target to at least in one lesson in a day is to actively get involved in that chat. And do remember to keep communicating with us. We are still here to help. Okay? You will see an assembly style like this from me each week, so you'll be able to check in with me and see how things are going and get some updates. But for now, I hope you enjoy your week, and please do let us know if there's anything we can do to help.